Welcome back to another isometric workout challenge. If you're new to this channel, make sure that you like, comment, subscribe. We upload every other day isometrics, every other day upper body and core. We are also on the road to 10,000 subscribers. I appreciate all the new support, all the new love, everyone for tuning in each and every day. Do not forget, I will be going back after this 30-day challenge. If you comment down on every single video that you completed the day's workout, you do have a chance to win $100. So with that being said, y'all already know what we're getting into today, so let's get into it. First thing we're going to do is we're going to start off with the regular wall sits. We have one set of 30 seconds. Then we'll alternate right leg and left leg, single leg wall sits, 2 sets of 15. Then we'll end it off using a med ball as our weight for the last 30 seconds. So let's get into it.
Ain't no time to conversate. Better move out of my way, cause I'm all about my cake. So what they know about it. What they know about it. So what they know So what they know about it.
They don't know nothing. They don't know nothing.
It's like a lot of sounds like a
I be flying when you see me, I be soaring. We can't play the same games, you be talking too much. It look easy on me, I was born a baller. Didn't notice then, now you tryna get it too. I'm on fire, be surprised if I miss. Hit my phone, I act like you don't exist. She on her knees, begging, pleading for my shit. Second to none, you can miss me with that shit.
The next thing we're going to get into is knee band stretches. I'll have my stretch band tied up around one leg, strictly like this. You can do 2 sets of 15 on each leg, or you can do 1 round of 30. I'll do 1 round of 30. The movement should be very slow. Let's get into it.
You ain't got no time for it, I ain't got no time for it. Pass it to my other chick, she cut it out the backboard. I be levitating, I can float. I'ma do my job, then I'm ghost. Ain't no competition, it ain't close. I'm not in my prime, I'm in the zone.
The next thing we're going to get into is a lunge split hold. We'll be doing a rotation of 2 sets of 15 seconds. Let's get into it.
On the move, can't take a break. Please respect my time, don't be late. I just did it all out the gate. I'ma need it now, underlay. I can't waste my time on you. Got a busy schedule. I do what I gotta do. I do what I gotta do. I'm up out of there. I can't stay too long, I'm up out of there. I gotta get going. I knew the assignment, they act like they didn't know it. I put in the work and I got everything to show it. I can't waste time while I'm in my prime. Ballin' like AI, always on the grind. See it in my eyes, I'm prepared for it. That's why I'm never tired. Always on the move, can't take a break. Please respect my time, don't be